Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Line app on your device. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. If you are an iPhone user, go to your App Store. And if you are an Android user, you need to go to your Play Store. Once you open up it, here tap on source icon located on bottom right corner. And here on source bar, search for Line and tap on source. Next, tap on this icon in order to download it. Once you tap on it, it starts downloading. Wait for a minute. Now you can see that your Line app has successfully downloaded. Now in order to open it, simply tap on open button. So this is how you can download and install Line in your device. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.